share, and subscribe. And only thing go. Them around down the block with the new X6 and the G-Shock watch. Yo, chain, the rules change so fearless. With the white t-shirt and the Gucci vest. Yo, just guys, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when the badness go.
Mad, fully active, mad. Guys, wagwan, welcome back to our channel. Don't know. So we are going up on the road right now, and we have snow storm again. So I'll give you a peek right now. I'm going outside right now. I'll put on my shoes right now. Let me put on my shoes. You hear that? Yeah, man. Put on my shoes and don't know outside pre. So me I say everything I drop off behind me. Alright, so put on the bad boy things, go outside right now. Let's know. Yeah, man. And you ready? Ready, man? Man. Get old guys. So I'm going inside now. Start up the machine, you know. That are going outside right now, people. You see it? Yeah, man. Outside. See there? Outside. Yeah, man. Outside. See it there? Yeah, man. Jaja. Can't believe this feature again. Yeah, man. Straight till tonight into tomorrow morning. Tree look nice with the snow up on it though. Yeah, man, for real, man. So, this are going outside. See the people. Can't eat it, man. Ice, man. Ice, man. Can't eat it, man. Yeah, man. Ice, man. Yeah, man. I'm the thirsty, man. Is it? Still thirsty, you see me? Yeah, man. See there? Yo, yo! Alright. Yeah, man. Pierce snow out, you see there? Yeah, man. Snow look pretty on the step. Good, man. Jaja. Yeah, man. This is snow from the last time. It not even melted. Alright? Now we are getting more snow. This is snow we have, yeah, so from the last time, see him, right? See me I say? Yeah. The last time. Yeah, man. Snow in that place. Yeah, man. Hi. Hello. Yeah, man, so we have more snow. Yeah, man, we have more snow in that place. Yeah, man. Anybody might get ready to dig out snow, look more. Watch the snow just fall off a tree. Jaja. Take a walk. Can't take a walk, go for your block yourself. Showing what I'm going. Can't go either way, down the block. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Jaja. See, it's more pretty, guys. Yeah, man. Pretty upon a tree. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, they're nice. I wait for Angie to come outside right now. Yeah, man. It's a summer look, you see me? All who want to come up here. The only work up if you don't become clean, you know. Them thing there, you see me? Yeah, man. Nice out there, man. See there, people. Yeah, man. See there. Yeah. So there's some machine right now, we're jumping it right now. Go up on the road. Jumping it right now, go up on the road. Yeah, man, people, so we get a nice Sunday today. We call it Snow Sunday. Yeah, man. See a car coming on the road, yeah? Car coming on the road today. Yeah, we're out here, man. We're out here, is it? Yeah, man, we're out here. See me there? I mean that. Yeah, man. Warm up the machine right now, okay? Don't know. Winter. So we have to warm up the machine, you see me? Yeah, man. So clean off just a little bit so we can roll out. So we can find something like chunky and clean off the glass. You know, I have something, you know. So I'm have up there, so. I'll find something. Angie, you ready? Come out of the house, man. Sure. I like going to woman people, man. Look how I'm out here. Look how I'm out here, man. Find something to clean out, you know, guys. Yeah, man. I go on the road now, make some errands right now. So I say, I gotta make some errands right now, you see me? We gotta make some errands right now. So I say, guys, let me know the movements can't stop, we can't make snow. I'll leave it up still. We can't make snow, make it stop. From doing thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Oh, now walk on the other side. Madam and Angie there. That's Angie people. Angie come out in her boots. Ready for the road. Angie ready for the road. Can't take off your name off your stomach, you know. You need it.
For the hospital.
You go to the hospital already. So Angie ready to go up on the road, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So you have to say about the snowstorm.
I hate it. I hate snow.
Huh?
Too much. Too much snow. Too much snow. Open up.
Press it. Last key.
What do you mean elastic? You cannot stop in and say I tell me elastic.
So press it again.
wow.
Alright guys, so you don't know. Yeah, I'm stinging to go up on the road here now. I said a thing, but yo. Yeah, I'm stinging to go up on the road here now. In the cold? In the cold?
Yes.
So stay in there, I'm not give you no eat. No eat, I'm not give you. What?
You need to give me some eat.
Not give you no eat.
I mean,
What?
don't put nothing under my bottom.
What? Nothing what?
The heat. We can't take.
Alright guys, so clean it off. And ask the man what he think about the snowstorm. Ask him what he think about the snowstorm. So I clean off this one. How you doing? How you loving the snowstorm? Bad, right? No good. Back to back. That's crazy, man. So it's a bad. Yep. Who loves snow? Nobody. Alright, so this one's a bad guy, so clean off. Now it's so good, you know. Can drive, you know. Yeah, can drive now. Can drive, you know. Alright guys, so we go on the road right now. We go up on the road right now. Still have all the work for there, so clean off the mirror. Clean off the mirror. Yeah, clean off the mirror. Go inside, I don't know. Go up on the road, you know. Like I said, I'll leave the top. Yeah, I'll leave the top for now, that's it. Yeah, I'll leave the top. Fully active!
That's daily juice.
I know it's a daily juice, I say fully active.
Yeah, man, fully active, man.
Bad boy, daily juice.
Bro.
Morning, we have snowstorm again.
Yo, I see you over here, so you're outside. Who have been out for the house?
Yeah, man, from what time start today?
6 a.m.
Till what time?
to 9 tonight.
Wow.
I wake up with running nose.
You there? You wake up like a baby this morning.
Drink some rum with some orange juice.
You don't drink alcohol?
Well, I know alcohol. Drink a little rum with some orange juice. Well, you have garlic?
Yeah, man.
You make some, you have ginger?
Yeah, I have all of that.
Okay, so what you have to do, blend up some ginger with the garlic with some lime juice and drink that.
Alright guys, buckle up now for the buckle up time.
Oh, maybe an allergy.
Yeah, allergies or something, yeah.
Yeah man, it's cold out here.
Yeah, man, I see some Canada right now, man. Outside cold, man.
Yo, over here pretty like yo, if you ever see the snow up on the tree, just pretty so.
Yeah?
The snow up on the tree limb,
Yeah.
they all eat off ice off a tree limb.
Shane, you's a mess.
Me vlog it, man.
He's a mess. How
Me
could you,
vlog right now, me I talk to you.
how could you eat it?
Yeah. What?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, eat snow. You know you get sick.
Oh, ice. Ice, I'm gonna get sick on the ice. Kunumono.
Yeah, but that's not the real ice. It look like shaved ice, but this is not ice to eat.
Kunumono, I real ice.
Yeah. For real?
Yeah, there. See that? Oh, don't care about ice, brother. Yeah, listen to Mad Angie. Yeah, listen to Mad Angie. Daily Juice. Yeah, listen to Mad Angie, man. The ice can't eat, man.
good, no good.
I don't do them. I just ice.
Okay.
Exactly.
It's not eel.
I'm really Jamaican and the eel.
The eel, yeah, that's ice. Yeah, that's ice.
All
That's
that
different.
can eat too.
Yeah, that can eat.
You know ice man.
Okay.
All that fall couple months, nice summer that fall up here too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So Andy, we want all the information what you want for this stuff. So,
Okay.
how much shirt you want with your mess? How much so everything all the shirts gonna be your mess?
Yes, yes,
Alright guys, so
Okay,
we're there on the road right now.
yes. And as I said, there's a
We're there on the road now guys, so
the hoodies.
later guys.
I need a
Alright guys, this is gonna become the end of my vlog. Plug out the nice thing there, make it nice. So we'll go back home right now. Yeah, I want to see it there. We'll go back home right now. Go back home, bro. Relax and thing. Yeah, man. Outside white. Drive now, man. Where you wait, pan? Drive now, brother. How about this, man? Like, seriously? Charger. Yeah, man, people. So we're out here. We're out here, isn't it? Everybody out here. Man, out here, is it? Yeah, man. Andrew out here. Andrew there on her phone.
yes, yes, yes.
Pay me no mind right now. Yes guys. Yeah man. Big up on yourself. Big up the viewers them. Don't know the large, you know. Mega love to all of you know. I wanna make it possible, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, I wanna make it possible, you see me? Know you guys know me, you see me? Yeah man. See it here guys, so we're up on Eastern Parkway. No, we're up on Utica Avenue and Empire right now. Yeah man, we're across an intersection here right now. Yeah man. Across an intersection here right now. Yeah. Man. Go on man, straighten up the car man. Out here is it. I'm out here. KFC there. Them said Jamaica KFC eat better though. Yeah, man. Wendy's there. No, Wendy's at Jamaica. Andrew, I go on.
Nothing me there. I enjoy the ride. When this nasty weather, I don't like it.
You like my nastiness though?
Do you always have to talk about your nastiness?
Jaja.
Who cares about your nastiness? You're too much.
Yeah guys, we're out here. Yeah, we're out here. See hotel, Wanga Hotel. no wink no light, make him go on. Yeah, man.
But I like to come outside and get something, but me not feel like come out here right now. Like during the week I'll come back and get some fruits. Me not in the mood. It's too nasty and wet up right now. I go out there.
Too nasty and wet. Too nasty and wet.
Yep. We need.
Wet is good, wet is good, wet is good.
Oh, shame.
Wet
When me
is
gonna look
good,
after for
wet-
Levi?
wet
That's
is
the
good,
problem.
Wet is good, wet is good. So Wingstop or what is it, guys? Wingstop at Jamaica. Wingstop there. I pass McDonald's now.
When I get Levi?
McDonald's there. Yes, people are out here. Yeah, man, they're out here. So them says, you know, I go fall all day, all night. So tomorrow morning when we wake up, we don't know where we go see. Hope it not bad. Yeah, man. Don't know. We're out here. Yeah, man, we're out here. Yeah, man, we're out here, man. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna sign off right here now. The Popeyes there. Popeyes across the street there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, a man just come pull up against me. BMW just pull up against me and thing. Yeah, man.
Hey yo, cut that out, man.
Big up yourself. Yeah, but what you have to say about the weather? You don't have to say?
Fucked up.
Too fucked up. Yeah, man, see you done now. I guess some people don't like the weather. So we're there now. So this a Church Avenue right now. We are belong on Church Avenue right now. So Church Avenue here. Yeah, Church Avenue. People don't wait on the bus. People don't wait on the bus. Yeah, man, so we're done now. Like that. Yeah. And then see the bus there. That's the ride on the train before we start driving. What me I say? Yeah, man. See, people still wait for the bus. Just the bus full and thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Far. Yeah, man. Don't know. We're out here. Yeah, man. We're out here today with no fear. Out here with no fear.
I'm going mommy now.
Yeah, man, we're out here, people. You don't know anything setting on, man. Yeah, man. So, when I say, when I joke with the thing, is it fully active. Yeah, man, out here. And you out here, too. Yeah, man, we're out here, man. See, dollar van, yeah, man. So dollar van, you don't want to wait on the city bus. You just jump on a dollar van, you hear that? Yeah, man. Just jump on a dollar van. And you're gone. Yeah, man. We're out here, man. We're out here. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know we out here. Fully active style. Fully active style. Yeah, man. We out here. Fully active style, man. Oh, yeah, so Nice people. Yeah, man, we're out here, man. Yeah, man. Angie, what they say I go, you know? Yo, what they say I go soon?
Yeah.
Look, what they say I go soon?
Shane, stop that. You know you're a mess sometime, you know. Why would you think like that?
You know, over there,
Are you stupid or are you a dummy?
But all the way I go over there.
Yeah, but why would you talk like that?
All the way I go over this, Angie.
I'm telling you, you are just a mess. Why would you sit down and talk about say we are gonna go over this one? Are you serious?
Can we just know which one we are go first over there?
Well, me not ready yet.
Huh?
And don't talk like that, because when God not ready for me yet, you can go along over there, because maybe you're ready to go. You're lucky. You're a mess.
We just know which one we are go first. Hello?
Shane.
Hello? Hello?
What?
We just know which one we are go first.
Well, you know what, Shane? I don't know. Maybe you're ready to go. Yeah.
Me always ready to go.
Well, show me and my
least
children them to live for right here.
Alright, guys. Me ready to go anytime. Angie not ready to go. So, you stop here, sir?
Yes, Shane.
You stop your mother today?
Mm.
Alright, guys. We're out. When this drop, I'm gonna enjoy the banger. Alright? Don't mind me about the time cold so you get white. Big up on yourself, mad.
Everything's level up now. King Benji. Oh, yo, Aleo. Everything. Everything's level up now. Everything's level up now. Mommy, everything's level up now.